21st of October! Few days to go and we're... not few days. Weeks. I made some kani... ang tawag dito? Kani salad wrap. Let's just try them. Try. Actually, kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch. But I just wanted to try this. Oh, dumidikat siya. Hi, Baba. The only thing is parang nakakabulunan tong rice paper wrap. I don't know. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Hindi ko kasi kumpleto yung ingredients kaya masarap siya. Sarap din yan. Hi. Hi. Hey guys. Hey guys. Update pala guys. So yesterday, tinga ko. So yesterday, we put an offer to a property. So, ano na siya, very close by. The only thing with that property is we're gonna have to renovate yung... We wanted to. We don't need to, but we wanted to renovate yung kitchen niya. And yung, kumbaga parang maging open plan siya kasi it's not an open plan. So we're gonna take a wall down. So medyo costly pero they accepted our offer which is below our budget. So meron pa tayong medyo excess para pang-renovate. So we'll see how we go. Tomorrow, pupunta namin yung property. So, they accepted our offer. Okay na. But, the only thing is, we might not be able to settle on the same day. I'm gonna call our broker today. see how we go. Kaso kasi parang our broker, yung broker namin dati when we bought this house, he was very responsive. But now, I think, nag-grow yung business nila. So, parang hindi sila masyadong responsive ngayon. Like, it takes weeks or even a month. I think, yung last kong query, a month! Bago sila nag-reply. So, ayun. Try ko silang call ngayon. Kung pwede kami mag-settle at the same day. Kasi parang, we lost few days na. So, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, 4 days na. So, kung siguro parang mga 3 weeks lang ang mabibigay sa kanilang settlement. Yung parang 3 weeks after exchange yung mabibigay sa kanilang period para maasikaso lahat. So, I'm not sure if kaya nila yun. Anyhow, we're getting the house. So, hopefully, wala na maging aberya. And also, peekaboo. 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 And also, ano bang sinasabi ko? And also, kalimutan ko. Ayun, we sorted out yung mga stuff natin. So, ilalagay muna natin sila sa storage, sa garahe nila Kim, my sister. So, mga couple of days lang naman. Ay, kasi they don't want to give us early access. So, sabi ng solicitor namin, they could work it, parang pwede na lang i-work out, pero there could be fees. I'm gonna call Storage King as well kung pwede bang couple of days lang ang, Anyway, wait lang. Magsasampay pa tayo. Ay, naku, di na tapos yung labahin, tupiin. Hindi ko pa nga natatapos tupiin yung mga sinampay ko nung isang araw. Eto na naman, may lalaban na naman tayo at sasampay. Gosh. Never ending. Huwag na tayo magdamit kaya. Lalo na ngayong summer. Sobrang gastos namin sa damit niyan. Kasi, syempre, sweaty. Ay, parang everything is in a rush. But, I'm just trusting God kung anong plan niya. But we're excited kasi if we're gonna renovate the kitchen, so we're gonna have a new kitchen. So, yung plan ko talaga, it's a very nice plan. We're gonna have an island countertop and, yung mga stuff na bago, pero wala sa kanya dati. So, yeah. Ay, sana, Lord. Thank you po. Good problems. These are good problems, right, Baba? Opo. Good problems po. Ang happy niya. Kanina naman, iyak siya ng iyak sa sasakyan. Pero ngayon, happy na siya. Nasa bahay na siya. Happy ka na? Nasa bahay ka na? Ha? Opo. Ang sarap ng wrap. Nakakabulunan lang yung rice paper. Pero, masarap. Siguro, ikani salad ko na lang talaga yung iba. Marami pa akong Sarap yan? Sarap yan? Ikaw talaga? Kakain mo yan? Hindi naman yan food po Kaya ka nagtatai Hajing. Anyways, highways. Yun lang ang update for today. Hi guys! Dumating na lahat ng order natin. So, fix na natin tong high chair ni Baba. So, this is the before. Ayan ang kanyang before. Well, we'll fix it. And so, una, I think we need to remove. Hindi natin to. Actually, pang pretty lang mostly. Actually, hindi naman. Ito, pang pretty lang. Pero the other ones, I think we will actually need them. What do you think, Baba Boy? Okay, lay down. May nakita kasi ako na mas okay daw siya kung aalisin mo siya. So, we just do that. Actually, hindi naman siya. Ganito lang siya. So, okay. Hindi natin alisin. Nakaka-excite naman. Kakain ng baby natin. Gapang-gapang siya doon ako. Hindi na nga lang natin. Change ka na natin. Change ka na. Come na. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, Mama's here na. Mama's here na, Mama's here na. It's okay, Mama's here na. Mama's here na. It's okay.
No chemical. Dahil sa naaamoy mo, meron ka ba kayo mga advice naman or tips mula sa iyong pamilya sinasabi, anak, Patrick, mag-iingat ka. Gano'n, may nakukuha ka ng ayos po kasi kapag din pamilya ko.
Is this ice cream?
Oh.
Wala kay Kuya Patrick kasi sabi niya, di ba? Prone sila
It
sa
is.
Basta alam mo, aware ka na prone ka dito. Bakit mo pa rin? Bakit umabot ka ng 3 years sa pagiging gasoline na ganda?
Masaya po sa kayo.
He's late. Yeah, he's the latest.
May hazard pay po.
Oh.
Am I ready now?
Yeah, it's ready.
Hello guys.
Ganito mo para.
Hello guys. So I'm making a crown out of paper. I'm making
Kasi parang ang ano nila,
this crown.
ang
So I just cut it
technically daw dapat
Just cut
naka-triangle yung ref,
and then
stove,
I
at
and then you need to clean it.
so parang ganun daw yung parang general rule, dapat naka-triangle sila. Kumbaga para hindi, basta nabasa ko lang. So, 3, 3 meters yun.
Okay, you can use whatever color you want.
36.
So we take step by step. Just
Yung ref natin
face.
dun. Sobra pa yung ano. 33 lang yan.
So I will color in Rumi's hair purple because he has purple. And we'll do quality wig.
Nung matibag ito, tangkang yung server.
I'm trying to go not
Ma-electrical yan.
out of the lines. My mom just
Masugot
printed,
yun.
and now I'm coloring in it. Just take step by step. Just making a con so easy. See, so
Yeah, yeah.
Sinip-sip
we
niya.
do color wait. And now I have this
Bili ka,
paper
ito,
to
pag may
make it
saksi
more
pa kita
better.
ba? Ha?
And now I'm done. Doing his hair. Now I need to do Miwa's hair. So Miwa is this one.
Ayan. Seryoso si Marame.
See, see, see.